This video will provide you with 9 methods to fix the issue of not receiving group texts on iPhone from Android. Fix 1. Check cellular connection. First, ensure your iPhone is connected to a cellular network. You can try to resolve connection issues by restarting cellular data. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on Cellular. Step 3. Turn off the cellular data toggle. Wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Fix 2. Check SMS blocking. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Tap on Phone or Messages. Step 3. Look for the Blocked Contacts or Blocked Numbers option to ensure that the relevant number is not on the block list. Fix 3. Turn off Airplane Mode. Step 1. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open Control Center. Step 2. Make sure the airplane mode icon is not activated gray. Fix 4. Restart iPhone. Restarting your device is an effective way to resolve many temporary issues, including iPhone not receiving texts from Android. The steps to restart an iPhone vary slightly depending on the model. For iPhone 6 and earlier versions, press and hold the power button and the home button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears, then release both buttons. For iPhone 7, press and hold the power button and the volume down button together until the Apple logo appears, then release both buttons. For iPhone 8 and later models, press and hold the volume up button for a brief moment. Next, hold and release the volume down button quickly. Now, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Fix 5. Reset network settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. Step 3. Hit Reset Network Settings and enter your passcode to confirm the action. Fix 6. Turn on messaging and group messaging. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Navigate to Messages. Step 3. Scroll down and ensure that both messaging and group messaging are turned on. Fix 7. Delete old text messages. If the SMS storage is approaching its limit, it may also affect the reception of new messages. Try deleting some old messages to free up space. Simply open the Messages app, select and delete the conversation threads that are no longer needed. Fix 8. Update your iPhone. To fix the issue of can't receive text messages from Android users, please ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Go to General. Step 2. Press Software Update and adhere to the instructions to update your iOS. Fix 9. Contact your carrier. If none of the above methods resolve the issue of not receiving group texts on iPhone from Android users, you can contact your mobile carrier to check if it's a carrier-related problem. They will assist you in examining potential network issues or SMS service settings concerns.